Once welcome back to my YouTube channel mathstricks.by Nilkamal. Today I will take continued derivative chapters and some important questions I will take which is very important for the student and examinations. Let's start. What is the question? Find dy by dx means derivative y equal to log of x to the base 3 minus 3 log of x to the base e plus 2 tan x. Here and looking so simple, but there will be very difficult. Such types of question will be or given in the book very less quantity. Therefore, question is very important. Look here carefully. First we write differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log x to the base 3 minus d by dx of 3 log x to the base e and plus d by dx of 2 tan x. Want to find the derivative of log x to the base 3. अभी मैंने बताया कि इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन किताबों में बहुत कम दिए होते हैं, बट इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में पूछने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं. इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लॉगरिथम के बेस चेंज फार्मूला का यूज करेंगे और उसके बाद हम इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करेंगे. देयरफॉर इट विल बी डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ यूज बेस चेंज फार्मूला log of x y log of 3 minus keep out 3 here d by dx log x to the base e. Here apply base change formula. It will be log x y log e plus 2 keep out and derivative of tan x. Therefore, that is the constant quantity. There will be direct we write 1 by log 3 into log of x. Derivative of log x will be 1 by x. There will be 1 by x minus 3 log e. Value of log e is 1 and log of x is 1 by x. Therefore 1 by x only, and here will be 2 and derivative of tan x, you know that sec square x. Therefore into sec square x. Therefore it will be 1 by x log 3 minus 3 by x plus 2 sec square x. This is the derivative of these functions. Next question, find dy by dx means derivative if y equal to 1 by sin x plus 2 raised to x plus 3 plus 5 upon log of 3 to the base x. He is given 1 by sin x and last term is 5 by log 3 to the base x. first simplify it, and after simplify it will be very simple to solve. Therefore, we write as y equal to 1y sin x changed to cosec x plus 2 raised to x plus 3 plus there will be 5y log of 3y log of x. After that it will be cosec x plus 2 raised to x plus 3, and after that this change into there will be 5 log of xy log of 3. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, on both sides we get dy by dx of cosec x plus dy dx of 2 raised to x plus 3 plus dy dx of 5 log xy log 3. Therefore, derivative of cosec x, it will be, we know that, minus cosec x cot x, and here will be 2 raised to x plus 3. Here apply the formula a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x will be a raised to x and log of a. Therefore, in place of x is given, in place of x given x plus 3. Therefore, write here 2 raised to x plus 3 and into log a, that will be log 2, in place of a is 2, and again find the derivative of x plus 3. I have told previous video, therefore derivative of x plus 3 will be only 1 into 1, and plus, and derivative of this 5 by log 3, that is the constant, there will be log 3, and log of x will be 1 by x, minus cosec x cot x plus log 2 into 2 raised to 2x plus 3 plus 5y x log 3. This is your answer. Thus, derivative of this is this. Thus, today topic finish. After this, I will take continue some difficult questions. Therefore, keep watching, continue my channel. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos.